Hi, I'm Jacqui from Abberton Rural Training. This is our stay-at-home, grow your own project. Today I'm going to be planting peas. I've got an old pot here that's previously been used. I've given it a good wash out, and in the bottom I put some broken pot known as crock. You can also use lumps of polystyrene, old bricks, anything just to raise the soil up from the ground. This helps improve drainage and stops the roots from rotting. So the first thing I'm going to do is pop in some compost on a good dose. This is their food for the next 6 months. I want to take this up to within a couple of inches of the top so that when I'm watering, the soil isn't disappearing over the edge, and give it a light pat down. This is a pea called Kelvedon, which is a local variety, and you can soak them overnight, but they're generally fine to go directly in. Place them around on the soil, a few inches apart and a few in the middle. So they've got plenty of space. They're big enough seeds to be able to make sure they're separated. So once I've got them positioned where I want to, I'm just going to use a finger and plop them in. So about 2/3 of a finger will do. So they're fairly deeply planted and they're nicely spread out. So a bit of water from side to side, good water in. If you do see them, that some of them actually aren't as deep as you thought, just replop them back in. Keep them watered regularly. You should see the peas start to come up in a week or two, and then we'll be taking you through what to do about supporting them as they grow in a later video. Thank you for watching, happy planting, and we hope to see you again soon.